In the past few videos, we have been using ChatGPT to help us automate Excel tasks, and in this video we are going to continue the same thing. In this video we are going to ask ChatGPT to give us VBA macro that monitors column A, and whenever we enter any values in this column A, the VBA code needs to run automatically and create a new sheet for us. For example, if I write employees here and I press enter, the VBA code needs to create a new sheet like this and name it employees like this. And if I add another value, for example farmers, then it needs to create another sheet automatically and name it farmers like this. So we are going to ask ChatGPT to help us in these tasks because we don't know how to do it. So let's go to ChatGPT and paste our prompt here. I have already constructed my prompt, and the prompt says that write a VBA macro in Excel that performs the following tasks. Number 1, keeps monitoring column A from A2 till the end. The VBA code must be able to monitor column A from A2 onwards. Why from A2? Because we are starting from row 2. Row 1 is the column header. So let's go back to ChatGPT. Number 2, when I enter any value in this range, it should automatically create a new sheet by that name of this value that we are entering. And number 3, make sure the cursor stays in the current sheet and does not move to the newly created sheet. So whenever we create a new sheet in Excel, the cursor automatically moves to the new sheet, but here we want the VBA code to keep the cursor in the active sheet and it should not go to the newly created sheet. And number 4, make it for Excel 2010. I am mentioning this because I use Excel 2010. You do not need to mention it if you use the latest version of MS Excel. So if you use the latest version, do not mention this one. Let's press enter and wait for ChatGPT's response. Okay, it says here is a VBA macro that monitors column A and does these tasks. Okay, it has finished writing the code. Let's copy this and go to MS Excel, go to Developers tab, Visual Basic, double click sheet 1, paste the code that we copied from ChatGPT, save this, and now let's write something here. For example, employees, press enter, and it created the sheet employees, and it also kept the cursor in this current sheet. If I say for example managers, press enter, yes, new sheet is created. Farmers, yes, data. So it keeps monitoring column A and it adds automatic new sheets to this workbook and names the sheets whatever value is in this range. If I write something else, for example skills, yes, I wrote skills all lowercase and we have the sheet name all lowercase letters. So that's it. In this video we asked ChatGPT to automate creating new sheets in MS Excel, and it did what we wanted it to do it for us. If you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, and do not forget to smash the like button.